Hello there, this is Novehn James's Parba, and lately I've been really curious about the difference between physical and chemical change of a substance, and I've been really curious about what's this difference between the two of them. I've learned that physical change only changed the appearance of a substance and not its chemical composition, while chemical change changed the substance into an entirely new substance and has a new chemical formula. And today we're going to be checking out the real difference between the two with practical examples. And today, let's check it out. Let's go. Today we're going to be checking out 3 examples of physical change. And the first one we have is breaking stick. So we're gonna demonstrate breaking a stick, and since here we go. Oh, that was the longest breaking stick of my whole life. Yeah, now we have 2 sticks. Now we have 2 sticks, and they're still both sticks. And as I've said earlier, we still have the same physical appearance, but this time it's just broken. Second example we have is crumpling paper. So as you can see in our second example, we have a crumpled paper here. It's still paper, still has the same chemical substance and appearance. Still paper technically, it's still technically paper, but it's crumpled. Third one, we're actually gonna go inside and to show our third example here. So let's go. So our third example will be inside the refrigerator because, surprise surprise, it's freezing and technically melting of water. So our example here is that we have water, and then we put it inside the refrigerator, and then we make it'll eventually turn into ice because it's in the freezer. Okay, water becomes ice. Thank you very much. Now let's proceed to the fun part. Let's go to the chemical changes of substance. So let's move on to the chemical changes of a substance. And our first example would be rusting of steel. So as you can see here, we have rusted iron. Can you zoom in, please? And obviously it's an example of chemical change since the sturdiness of the roof eventually decays because the roofs develop holes, and then it becomes we have to replace the roofs. So lighting phosphorus. It's really windy today, so bear with me here. And I don't want to do this inside. You saw that, right? So let me explain. Because of the phosphorus, the matchstick lights, and it changes the appearance, and it is no longer a matchstick, and it can no longer be used because the phosphorus has been lit already. Moving on with our third example, still involves burning something. So this is So let me explain. This is also a chemical change because the paper turned into call this ash because it's being burnt. Oh, look how satisfying this is. So we have reached the end of the video, and we're done showing all the physical and chemical changes or difference between the two. And I would like to thank you for watching this video, and yeah, peace.